here in the screen you can see there's some bright stuff, so seems it's broken over here. Let me try to turn it on. Okay, so you can see here Nintendo. If you guys want to see me unpacking this Nintendo Switch, then you can check the link above, and there is another video where I unpack it with other stuff. Okay, so I'm back here to the table with it. So let's open. Actually, it's kind of messy already. The box is broken everywhere. Okay, so it seems we have here the console, and I think nothing more. Actually, just some paper here. Okay. Yeah. Sorry. Yes, nothing more. I thought might, but this feels a bit heavy for some reason. It feels heavy because a bit of the manual, but no cables, no nothing. As you can see, nothing inside more. Okay, so probably I'll need to buy a cable for it. The seller for this one, I think the issue was the screen is broken. I'm not sure this side or this side, but here you can see that someone already tried to pry it in. Actually, it's totally messed. It's even broken here. Yeah, so not that good. So let's at least see if we can charge it, just to see if we'll be able to charge, or if it will be to turn on at least. Okay, here we go. Turn it on. Okay, so it seems 0.39 amps to change, but I think it's charged already because it's 4.72 volts, and here in the screen you can see there's some bright stuff, so it seems it's broken over here. Let me try to turn it on just to see. Yeah. Okay. Just turn it on at all. Not. Take the cable to turn it on. Okay, so seems nothing is happening. Actually, I'm pressing the power button, but really nothing. But okay, we see that at least maybe it's not. Okay, so we can see here Nintendo. So maybe it's charging, just doesn't have any power, because we saw that the symbol here, it appeared. Anyway, I guess what we can try to do here is to maybe to open it and see what is the damage. For sure the screen, so probably I'll need to order a new screen and see. But first of all, I think we can start to open to see if there is any more damage here in this side. Actually, it was broken here, so maybe someone was trying to do something here, trying to fix it. Not sure. I will fast forward all of these. You can see as well the video here in the top screen or in the description. I will put all the links. So if you want to see more detailed version, you can see it in any of those places. And okay, this one here as well should be a screw. Maybe you cannot see it, but it should be. So probably I'll need to force this somehow. Yeah, so we can see over here the person that was kind of trying to dig it in here. So this is not good. It's actually, this one is almost breaking. I can feel it when I'm moving it a little bit, even it starts here already to break. So probably we'll need to then to try to put all of these straight. see if I can use it. Probably not, because it's too big. Okay, so we're able to take almost all of it, and here on this side we have here some glue. So we need to be more careful, or at least maybe I will try to bring actually it's not needed. I was thinking to bring the hair dryer to be able to heat it a bit. Of course, if it's better, because over here this is the digitizer, and of course we don't want to break the digitizer, but a bit by bit, see, it comes out. Okay, so we have the screen out as well. We have here the joysticks, so we can take them out. Okay guys, we took everything. Now I believe we don't need to take anything, but oh shoot, I think I pushed it a bit too hard and I mess it up, and now maybe it's not. Let's see if I can pull. Yes, seems I broke. Not a good idea to push through this part, because I think I just broke it. Not 100% sure, but might be. Okay, so for sure I will need to get a new digitizer, and that's it. But to take the digitizer out, I'm not sure how it will come out, but I think maybe, yes, maybe if I push here a bit, if we push here, it can come out like this, so we can go all around. Let's go all around. And it should come out, and this part probably just bend it like this, and that should be it. And that's it. We have now the digitizer out. So hope it helps everyone, that all of this is taken apart. But anyway, first I need to order the digitizer and the screen, and then we will see if I can manage everything. Okay guys, I'm back. I think after a month passed, because I ordered the another digitizer. This is the old one, and I ordered another screen. I have here the digitizer, already opened it. The digitizer, I think it costed me around 7 or 8 euros. So I think they are exactly the same. I can do a comparison, quick one. But yes, it seems the same size, and everything seems fine. This digitizer doesn't come with this rubber over here. and as well doesn't come with this glue. I think I have somewhere this type of glue. I might use it then here in this part here of the plastic itself. I will see. Okay, but we have here the new digitizer and the bigger box, the new screen. A lot of this bubble wrap, so it was good. Okay, so here it is. And for this one I think I bought it for 32, maybe 32, 33 euros. So okay, they are the same, so it's all good. Anyway, I will put a link in the description about the digitizer and the screen if you want to buy it. As well, here, this part over here, it was bent, so let's try to push it a bit in, because here it was the part that the person tried to pry it in, so, and it was quite some gap. Okay, this one, it goes in, I think, to the plus here side, I think so. So let's just check now if it will here fits. It wants to go. Doesn't want. Maybe it's maybe I did it a bit too tight. No. Okay. So it was because it was glued over here. Okay, I broke it now. Okay, so I need to be very careful with the new screen for sure, because I cannot. Yeah, I see what it was. See, it glues over here. So this is a problem. So I need to be very careful when trying to put it in, because I don't want to mess the new one at all. And yes, but it goes like this. Okay, so it's more or less okay. If you can see here, there is still a bit gap, but overall I think it seems fine. Okay, I can see if you look here. Maybe you cannot notice, but it is a bit bent downwards, so probably I need to try to bend it up to see if it will help. Okay, I think it's a bit better. Still not happy here. There is a little bit of gap, but as well I don't want to force it too much, because if it breaks this, I don't want to buy another one. I could buy another one, but it was, I think, all this cover, I think it was 15 euros, something like that. If you want, I can try to put a description, a link in the description, and you can then, if you need this cover, you can try to buy it as well. I bought all of this from AliExpress, so it always takes some time to deliver. Okay, so I think it's okay. Let me double check again. Okay, seems fine. So what we need to do now, I need to take off this rubber all here, all around, but I need to be very careful because I don't want to break it. Okay, let's put in the new one. Over here there is some plastic all around. Yes, probably. Let's see until where this plastic goes. Okay, the plastic is just in the screen itself, so it should be fine. Here in the corner, I need to change a bit this one. Okay, I think it's fine. Okay, so this plastic here is everywhere. Okay, it's clear. I'm taking it out, but I'll put it back again. Okay, let me put this one back in. Just want to have it here, not to scratch it. Okay, more or less okay, not perfect. As you can see, there is a bit here, a bit of gap. I can still make it straight. Okay, so I think it looks fine. Okay, this one, it's kinda okay. Then this one needs to go on top. Let me just check here how it looks like. I believe something like this. Need to be very careful with this, but probably this one it will be on top of this kind of soft material. So it will be something like, I think, I still need to check this, I'm not sure, I forgot, but I think it's like this side over here. Let's see how it looks like. Does it? And it wants to get glued. Okay, it's over here. It will be a bit tricky to find where it is. On this one we can see it. Like this we can see it better. Over here, it's a bit tricky to see it in the camera, but there is some gap over here. Maybe you can see it over there. All of these here. It's not the screen itself. It doesn't display anything, this part, so we should be fine. But let's see. Okay, so for this we are okay. What I need now, I need to have here a bit of this kind of glue thing, because I think we will not be able to take off this part. I think I bought some. Maybe we will be able to take it once. I might be able to take it out and use this one. Maybe we can already start to assemble this back again. So remember, this one like this one to the plus side, then the screen, not sure, probably I'll need to check it still, and I think here the screen has some protection. You even have here the letter E, so probably this can be taken off. I think yes, some protection it comes off, so probably then I will take it out as well. And here in the back we have another protection here in the back, but for now I'll keep it and we will see. I will just double check again to see if this is like to this side, is there like this or not, just to be sure. Okay, I did check it, so it's from the same side, the big one here to the digitizer side, and here the small one to the other side, so quite easy, but always good to confirm. Okay, we can try to already start on it. So first thing first, I will put here, these need to be very careful because of the cables on the bottom, and press it in here in all sides. Okay, so this part I think it's good, doesn't fall down, sticks in place. So this one, it's okay. Now the screen itself needs to go like this. Let's see the alignment first of all. Maybe like this, because in any case we don't have much room here on it. yeah, we don't have so much room. So first thing, let's take off this here, this protection. Let's keep it down, and let's take here as well this protection if it wants to come out. Doesn't want. Don't as well to be very careful because I don't want to scratch the screen. Okay, came out. Notice here in the corner already messed it up a bit. Okay, and now we can put it down. Since we don't have so much space on this, I will keep it centered. And here we go, all the sides. As well, here you can see here where there is this ribbon cable. You see over here in the plastic some gaps, so the ideal is to go in the middle. As you see here on the top there is not so much gap space, and here as well not so much space as well, the same from this side, not so much space. And here I believe I gave the same space more or less in both sides, so hopefully it is okay. And now what we can do, we can start to assemble everything back together. Of course we need to take here this protection as well. Okay, here we go, protection out, and we can start to assemble everything back together. Probably I'll need to review everything to see more or less what goes where, because some things I already forgot. It was a month already, and that's it. And then we will start to mount everything back together. Okay guys, so I was charging already. Actually, when I charge, it automatically turns on. So it was charging, so when it got enough battery, it did turn on. Seems that buttons are working. Okay, so seems that it's working. As you can see, we have screen, looks good. The only minus is here, this part, since the back here is broken. Not sure if I will be able to glue it, or I will order a new one, a new back cover. So in general, we see that everything is working. Actually, I still have here the protection. I can peel it off, but while I will still need to screw in here these few screws. And besides that, seems to be okay. Don't see any issues. Probably will need to check here if the screen, everything is fine, but we have touch, so that's a good thing. So should be fine. If I find that something more is not working, then I'll maybe make some other video, but I think everything looks fine. So one more fixed one. So if you guys liked this video, so please like and subscribe, and see you later.